Disappointment guys, there is no unboxing for the shoe. The shoe comes in a parcel which has the Ziploc bag within which the shoes are present. And on the Ziploc bag we have the price of the shoe as well as the size of the shoe. Where in this case the price is 500 rupees and my size is size 10. So you can check out your price based on the size. Where I provided the links down in the description below. You can check it out after the video.
So futsal is a growing sport in India where you play football in a small pitch which is indoor. So as far as I am considered, this may be one of the best football shoes for beginners in futsal.
The first impressions on the shoe were really nice for me. The sole felt very solid and the shoe was very lightweight. The sole has a grip which resembles the Newfeel logo.
So starting with the look, this doesn't have a really aesthetic appearance, but the design pattern seems familiar, and also it comes in only two color forms, the blue and the black variant. Ever made. So I've been excited to look at this shoe for a while, so here's a chance. So breaking straight off the box is the shoe itself. So I ordered this shoe in the black color, which is more suited for the videos which I do. So looking at the sole, it's the same as the Puma Archive lights, and also the upper material of the shoe is made up of mesh, which makes it perfect for lowers. Inside the shoe we have this paper wrap to retain its size. Also we have an extra pair of shoelaces which are black, and we have the Netfit technology with the shoe, which we'll be looking at it later. So the first look of this boot is really impressive, and also we have the high ankle, which is only seen in the mainstream football boots. And for a freestyle boot, this is so looking at the other boot, nothing much. So we just have this extra silicone gel, which we will not be using. So the right side of the boot is regarding only its price. This boot is priced around 8,500 rupees, which is hell a lot for a freestyle shoe. So coming back to the Netfit technology, here we have the net itself, so we can customize our shoelace based on the fit or the design as we desire. So it's now time to try it on. I've been using ankle socks with the shoe because most people say higher heel socks are better for ankle shoes like these. So my preference is that any type of sock is okay for a cleat type of shoe like this. The fit seems to be perfect. We have a little gap in the front, which doesn't seem to bother me in any way. This is the first try with the freestyle boot. I just start off by doing the basics, the basic on the whirls. At this point the shoe seems to be like very fine, so I started doing another complex trick combo. Even the basic combos were seeming to be really good. I felt very easy doing that, so I just move on doing some complex tricks like the double on the whirls. All tricks seem to be in point and very convenient to move. Even the tricks which are really hard for me to do before are really easy with this. So moving on, we have been doing lower, so I've moved to the creative stuff. And also I've been liking this boot pretty much at this point, so I try to do some sit downs and soles with it. Speaking about the soles, the outer sole of the shoe is just like the archive light, so doing blocks and sole moves are the same.
This would be a complete game changer. Apart from the different boots which you have seen, this is a little different one.
Here are the Adidas Nemeziz 17.3.
This shoe is primarily made up of tape. You guessed it, it's tape. The same tape which we use before wearing the socks to give a firm support for the foot. It feels like socks, which also gives a vacuum-like fit to your foot and the shoe while you wear it. This has a curved sole, which makes it perfect for twisting and changing directions at very fast speeds. The 360 agility also aids in making very sharp turns. The shoe is made in such a way that it bends in all directions as the foot bends. As far as shooting is concerned, it feels as though you're kicking the ball with your bare foot. With the Nemeziz, it's never the shoe's fault when you lose control of the ball.
So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today in this video we're going to be looking at the testing of the Newfeel shoes. So yesterday I have unboxed the shoe and today I'm going to put the review of it. So as said before, the shoe is perfect and has no disadvantages. So just check out how my first session with the shoe went. So check out the video fully and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
For all the freestylers in India and in Asia, we got you the Umbro Patatimos. Just like the Puma Archive Lite Low Mesh, these are beautiful freestyle shoes. So the most commonly asked question about this boot is that where did I get it from? I got these boots from jabang.com in India. So I'll link that down in the description below. You can go and check it out if you want. They come in two colors, red and blue. We have both of them. So first of all, we're going to be seeing the unboxing of these shoes. These shoes are flexible, which aids in doing freestyle tricks more easier. So without further ado, let's do a testing of the boot and see how well it really performs like.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain.
for a very long time right now. So talking about the durability of the boot, it doesn't last much longer, but it does last longer than the Pumas. So do you like these boots? Let me know in the comments below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also like this video if you liked it. Until the next video, see you.